Imagine running a business that works for you 24/7 while AI does 80% of the work. Doesn't that sound good? Well, that's exactly what I'll be showing you in today's video. I'm Shanique, and I help beginners launch their first AI side hustle and turn it into a digital product business. If you've been feeling like starting an online business, it's too complicated, it's too much, I can't do it. Well, this video will show you how simple it can be once you know the right tools and systems to use to get started. And if you want some AI side hustle idea, which you can automate right away, then I created a free guide for you. It's called 10 AI side hustle ideas, which you can start this week. I've linked it down in the description box below so you can check it out. So step one, you want to create one problem and you're going to create it once using AI. So you can use ChatGPT and Canva. So ChatGPT will give you ideas for an ebook, template, or a mini course that you can take the outline from ChatGPT and paste it, put it in Canva to start to create your first digital product. So you want to focus on one niche and one problem. So some niche topics where I feel like are the best or they have the potential of making you the most income are fitness, beauty, health and wellness, or finance, or making money online, or just business overall. So those are the top niches right now. But you do have other niches. You do have smaller sub niches where you can pick a topic out of that. Remember, the goal is to just have one product for one problem that you can sell to one group of people. You don't want to overcomplicate this. Think of a problem that you can solve, that you can create a product around it, which is a digital product. Then you can deliver that product to solve the problem that your target audience has. So step two, you want to build a simple system. You don't want to overcomplicate this part. So you want to use a platform such as beacons.ai. That's the platform that I use. Like, this platform has everything. So you can automate your emails from here. You can deliver your products seamlessly. So once somebody buys your digital product, then the product is automatically delivered to them without you having to do any extra work. So with the tool Beacon, as I was talking about, is that you can use this to just create a storefront for your business. So it's basically where people can come to actually see. So such as platforms like Linktree, where you see a lot of people have their Linktree links in their bio. It's the same thing with beacons.ai. You can use it as your storefront. So when people comes there, they can see the products that you have selling. They can watch your videos from there. They can subscribe. They can sign up for your email list. They can be on your email list. Like, there's so many things you can do with beacons.ai. And with this being a free tool as well, you do have paid subscription portion of it, but I feel the most part, compared to other tools that I've tried before, with the free version, you will get more than you would even get with another platform that you have to pay for. So you can check out beacons.ai. This is a great tool to get started with, where you can use to send your email or build your email list and sell your digital products seamlessly and very easy. So I will put beacons.ai down in the description box below. So if you want to check it out, you can click the link down below and sign up for an account with them. So step three, you want to automate your marketing. So use tools such as ChatGPT for your content planning, and you can use Opus Clips where you can turn your long form videos into short form content. And in automating your content as well, automating your overall marketing, is that every time you create a content for social media, you can schedule your posts. You can use tools like Later or Metrocool just to schedule out all your posts. So for instance, if you spend one day making your content, then you can have your content spread out over a 30-day period or even a week using Later or Metrocool just to make it more seamless for you. So you want your stuff to be posted, you want your content to be posted automatically to all your social media platforms. So step 4, this is reinvest and scale your business. So this is where you want to add more product, you want to upsell, or you want to bundle some of the products that you currently have. So this is where the scaling of your business begins. You want to automate the customer service, so you can use chatbots. You can automate the response on your social media as well. So such as if you have your Instagram account, TikTok account, whatever prompts or what, for instance, if a customer uses a specific word when they comment on one of your video, then you can use tools that can send that customer your free guide or whatever you're talking about in the video. You can automate all your processes with free AI tools. So what most beginners do, they overcomplicate this part. You don't need a big team. The only thing you need are systems in place. So one example of this is that you can use YouTube as your main platform to get leads. Once it is that you get your leads in from YouTube, then you use Beacons to set up your automation. After you use Beacons to set up an automation, then you can use a simple community like School to get those people, inside of your ecosystem. So you can always continue to share value with them, share things with them, so that they'll always be with you for a longer period of time. It's not just about selling a digital product to an audience, it's also about creating a community or giving people more value than what is even required, because you want to make sure that the more value you give is the more feedback you get, and it's the best thing for your business. So you always want to over deliver when it comes out to your business. So all you need to do is to have one product, one sale page, and one automation in place, and your business can generate sales for you even while you are sleeping. And that's the goal for business. That's the goal for having an online business. You want to be able to make money in your sleep. You want to be able to have tools, systems to help you, where even if you're on vacation, your business is still running. And with AI tools, I know that you can have an online business that runs itself. You can be anywhere in the world, and these systems are set up to run your business for you. And if you want to start your own AI powered online business, then you want to start small. Start with one product, one platform, and have one main goal in mind. And if you want help choosing your first AI side hustle, then I created a free guide for you where you have 10 AI powered side hustle ideas, which I've linked down in the description box below. You can check that out as well. And remember, never overcomplicate these processes. Never try to overwhelm yourself. Everything starts with just one idea. And if it is that you have an idea for a product or a business or something that you've always wanted to do, the only thing that's stopping you is you. So you just have to be willing to get started in whatever you do. Remember, the first step is what is going to bring you to the end of the journey that you're going. I've always heard the saying that The journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. So take that first step to starting something, to learning an online skill that can help you for your future and to help you to create the life that you want. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.